Okay guys, it's Mike at Ophelias Blue Vine, and today is rather historic. So we just finished up our big, huge Thanksgiving Day order. Thousands of units we just finished up inside, and the last delivery is about to go out. So I'm gonna take you inside and let you guys take a look. All this is rosemary going out right here, and this is the rest of the garden time. And so this right here is going to glass on. Elijah's over there cutting the last of the rosemary. Say hi, Elijah.
Hello.
So Elijah, what have you been doing all today?
I've been packaging the Prometheus herb bundle
Let me see.
for Thanksgiving.
What's in it?
Rosemary, garden thyme, sage, oregano, allspice leaves, Italian parsley.
And it also says ingredients
Mayberry.
right there. So that is a wonderful treat. What we wanted to do was we wanted to come up with something, and that's named after this woman right here, grandmother Prometheus. So that's Grandma Ophelia in the back, and that's her mother on the family farm right there. So again, Mike at Ophelias Blue Vine Farm, the whole crew's here, wishing you guys a happy Thanksgiving, right, Elijah?
Happy Thanksgiving.
And we wanted to bring this phenomenal product out here because what we want to do is we wanted to come with everything but the kitchen sink on this one right here. So it's got everything in it. It's still at a great value. It's still the same price as all of our other products, but it has, how many things does it have in it, Elijah?
6.
It has 6 things in it. So you definitely have to try this, a one-of-a-kind product named after our very own grandmother Prometheus. So we gotta go. We gotta deliver all this product to Rosemary and enjoy the next couple of days off. It's Mike and the crew. Everybody, Ophelias Blue Vine. Yeah.